take a look at that warm-up, okay? So not sure how you're attacking this. Maybe you preferred to do the problem that's already created and then go to the story problem, but that's kind of how I'm going to attack it anyways. So I know I see this problem and I think I can solve this one quicker than I can solve this guy over here. So I look at that the variable is t, and I look at that variable and I say, what is bothering that variable? What do I need to do to be able to get t by itself? So we have a minus 40 bothering it. So we're going to add 40 here, and we got to add 40 here. So this is the fundamentals of how to solve algebraic equations, and we've got to be able to understand what's going on here. So we're just keeping something balanced between that equal sign. Okay, so we're adding 40 to both sides. That's going to eliminate these 40s, and we're going to get t by itself. It's going to drop down my equal sign. 3 plus 40 is 43. And if you don't believe me, you can check that answer by plugging into the original. 43 minus 40, does that equal 3? So in these algebra problems, you should never get them wrong, or at least you should know that your answer is wrong, because you plug it back in and you realize 43 minus 40 is 3. And so, boom, you know you got it right. You might get to a point where you get like 5 equals 3 and you know it's wrong and you just think, I don't know how to do it any other way. And at least you identified, you know your problem's wrong. But anyhow, that's just something that we always should be able to check. Okay, Claire had T books. After she bought 8 more books, she had 24 books. So we got to build the equation here. So write and solve the equations. She had T books. She bought 8 more, and that gave her a grand total of 24. There's your equation. So how do you get that variable by itself? What's bothering it? A plus 8. So we're going to minus 8 over here, and we are going to minus 8 over here. Sorry. That's going to give us t by itself, an equal sign. 24 minus 8. We cannot take 8 away from 4, so we're going to borrow from the 2, turn it into 1, and turn this into 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. And then 1 subtract to 0. We get our answer of 16. Again, don't believe me. Plug it back into the original. 16 plus 8 better equal 24. And it does. So 24 equals 24. Check that one off. It's perfect.